Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video, we are going to be doing a home decor haul. I'm going to give you guys a little background on why I'm filming this video tonight. I was actually supposed to make either a pregnancy update or I was going to show you guys my wig collection because I got two in the mail today and I was very excited to film that. But we're going to be doing a home decor haul because literally, I took some pictures today. Today's Valentine's Day, and I took some pictures, maternity pictures that were so beautiful. I was so excited to show my mom. I showed them to her, and she's like, "Oh, they're so pretty. You look so beautiful." Blah 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 blah. She's like, "But," she said, "But I do not like your comforter. Your comforter. You've been having that for over a year." She's like, "You need to change them up. Like, have a few of them." And, you know, put them on since you take a lot of pictures and, you know, and I just thought to myself, oh my god, why didn't I think of that? So I told her, I have a comforter upstairs. I just don't understand why I haven't put him on. And I think I talked to you guys about that. I was going to wait until the baby gets here. But no, that's first thing in the morning. As soon as the kids go to school, I am going to be changing and redecorating my room. That's the goal for today. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know I'm talking a lot, but I was just like, oh my god, I can't believe I should have just changed my comforters from before. But hey, so the plan is to get a few comforters. Now my mom got me into that. I have to get a few comforters so that I can change them around. But anyways, I'll show you guys the things that I got for my room because I got pretty much everything. I was just waiting. Just waiting until my pregnancy got closer to my due date. But I guess tomorrow is the day that I'm changing everything. You ladies and gentlemen had an awesome Valentine's Day. Mine was pretty chill. It was great, to be honest. I had a good time. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, so let's get started. I'm going to show you guys what I got from Ikea. I believe the price for this was $10. I'm planning on using these curtains on our bathroom. So that's what I'll be using. You guys are going to see how I'm going to use them and stuff. I will show you. Since you guys really enjoyed my bathroom tour that I just posted a couple days ago, I thought, hey, I'm just going to decorate the bathroom in our bedroom and show you guys how I do it. So that's going to be our next video. I don't know if it's going to be after this one, but it will come surely soon after this. But so yeah, these are the ones that I got, and I believe they were like $5 or $10 each pack. I think it was $10 each. So $10. Yeah, $10. So $20 right here from Ikea. Okay, so another thing that I found at Ikea is this cute little plant that I'll be using. I don't know where I'm going to be placing it. If it's going to be in our bathroom or a bedroom, I'm still undecided. But the price for this plant was $7. It is super cute. This is how it looks like. And this is the style and the name right here. Focus. There you go. I just thought it was really cute. It's fake because honestly, you guys, I'm really bad when it comes to real plants. They die on me all the time. But yeah, so this is another item that I got. Another thing that I got from Ikea is this little basket. The price for this was, well, not a basket, this little bucket for the flowers. The price for this was $2. So that was pretty affordable for the plant and the little container where I'm going to be placing it. So yeah, this is it. Oh my god, you guys, I'm getting really tired. So I was waiting for the laptop, right? Because my husband and I share the same laptop right now. And I was sitting down literally for like an hour on the couch just waiting, thinking that Evan was doing homework. And it turns out that he was already passed out. And the laptop was down there on our desk. And I was like, oh my god. So I was just wasting time just sitting there. And now it's like almost midnight and I'm so tired. But anyways, we're gonna still do this haul. Okay, so I found this at the Dollar Tree, you guys. I thought it was really cute. I'm still gonna add it to this haul. It says flowers and garden. I thought it was really cute for only $1. You cannot beat that. I'm not sure where I'll be placing it. I have no idea. But I just thought it was really cute. Even if I put some flowers right here, or flowers or little towels too. I don't know. We'll figure it out. But I just thought for only $1 it is adorable. So that's how it looks like. This is not new, but I did show you guys on another video. I'm just going to show you quick. This is the, what's it called? The sheets that I'm going to be using for our bedroom. They are by Calvin Klein. And the price for this was 50 bucks. So yeah, this is something that I got a while back. And I just had it there like collecting dust pretty much. Because I was not ready to open it yet. And I'm also going to be using the bed skirt that I showed you on a previous video. So yeah, all of that is going to go on my bed tomorrow. I swear to God, I'm like traumatized that my mom just told me that. She's like, the pictures are great, but just your comforter, I'm so tired of it. And I thought to myself, oh my God, when I looked at the comforter, I was like, I think she's right. Purchased this from Ikea, and it's for a shelf. So this is how it looks like. And, ooh, oh my God, I don't have screws. That's one thing that I do not like from Ikea, that you have to buy screws separately. Or like, you have to get the screws or else it doesn't come with it. I don't think we have the screws for this, but we'll figure it out. And this is how they look like. Actually, like this. And I believe the price for this each was $5. So I'm going to be placing this in our bathroom. That's what I'm planning on doing. This is a shelf that I'll be placing in our bathroom. It's pretty simple. It's only, I believe I paid $5 for it. It's a very plain shelf. I'm so sorry, you guys. I'm so tired. It's a pretty shelf. But yeah, so that's how it looks like. Pretty basic. And I'm planning on putting, either we put the flowers or I put some towels on top. I'm not sure. It's going to be probably on top of the toilet or right in front of the toilet. I'm still debating. But I'm going to show you guys, so don't worry. I got you. Better. Ooh, that might be a little too close. Okay, that's a little better. But this was $9.99, and I love the fact that it has a mirror. So that's super good. And I'm excited to be placing this, I think, on our sink. Yeah, that's where I'm planning on putting it, on our sink. You can also use this for jewelry, you can use it for a lot of things, you guys. To put your keys or your remote control, if you watch TV. I don't know, the possibilities are endless. Or you can also put sunglasses, like your favorite pair of sunglasses, with your key, your wallet. I don't know. You can use this little trays for a lot of things. I purchased this from HomeGoods. The price for this was $9.99, and this is going to be a soap disposal. I hope I'm saying it right. But this is how it looks like. It's really cute and simple. It's made out of glass, and you can see silver and just clear. It's really cute. I think $10 was a reasonable price. So I did purchase this for our countertops. It is specifically for marble or like stone or grain. And yeah, so this is something that I want to eat as well. Oh my God, I'm so bad. But yeah, I got this too, and the price for this was only $3.99. Alright, you guys, so the next item, it is from HomeGoods. Voila! This is how it looks like. And it is actually a pillow. It's a very pretty pillow. So this is how it looks like. The price for this was only $12. I got it on sale, as you can see. And this is a pattern. I got 2 of them, and they're really nice. They're really fluffy. I think they're made out of feathers, I want to say. It has a zipper, so that was a major plus for me, because after a while, pillows get dirty. And if you do not wash them, they start smelling, and it's not good. Oh yeah, it's actually pillows. Feathers, I'm sorry. On the inside is feathers, and you can take it off and put it on, which is amazing. So I'm very happy that that's the way it is. And what else did I get? Okay, so now I'm going to show you one more item, and I'm going to jump into the comforter and just tell you guys a little bit more about it. I don't believe this is going to be a long video. I think we're getting through it pretty fast. I'm trying my best, you guys. I'm trying my best. But sometimes either I make very long videos or very short videos. But we're going to try to keep it short and simple. But what else did I get? Oh, the towels. You guys saw the towels already on another video. But if you haven't seen them, I'll show you real quick. These are the towels that I'm going to be using for our bathroom. And this is similar to the ones that I have. Well, actually it's the same towels, but the ones that I have on our new bathroom, they are small. So they're little teeny ones. And this right here are big. So they're going to be for Evan and I. So we can have our own towels. I do want to get those really fancy robes that they have at the pretty hotels. But I haven't found them yet. I have to look online. Oh no, actually I did see some at TJ Maxx. They were only like 40 bucks, which is not bad. But I thought, hey, what if I customize it and like have like our initials? That might be really nice. So that's one of my goals, to find those kind of robes and customize it and put our little name on it. Our initial, Evan and I. So that we can have it in our bathroom. That would be really cute. And just when you get out of the shower, you get your robe. Like not the ones that you just put on to go to sleep, but the ones that are made out of towel fabric. Those are really nice. They seem to be very nice. When I went to Belize, we were wearing those and they were so comfortable. Oh my god, I love it. And then when you do your makeup in them, well, they're usually white. I like the white ones. So it does get really messy, but it's super easy to clean because you can always just use Clorox and whatever detergent you use, or whatever it is that you use to in your fabrics. We don't wear that much white, so I have no idea how to wash white clothing or fabrics. And finally, you guys, I'm gonna show you guys my comforter. I love saving the best for last on every video. If you ever see my videos, I love saving the best for last, unless everything's my favorite, because that's another like thing that I do. Either everything's my favorite or the best for last. But anyway, so this is a comforter that I am going to be using, and I'm going to be placing it tomorrow. And oh my god, honestly you guys, I feel like my pictures need to be redone. Like I have to redo my maternity pictures because of my comforter. So annoying. Alright you guys, I'm going to place my comforter up here. And this I got at Home Goods. The price for this was $80. Oops. And this is how it looks like. It's by Tahari. Oh, actually it's on this side. Whoop. So this is how my comforter looks like. It's a very plain and white. It's really pretty. The pattern is similar to the little pillows that I just showed you. So that's the reason I went for this comforter. And it is in a size queen. Alright, I'm going to show you guys how it looks. I'm actually going to open it so that you guys can see the pillows. Alright, I think you can kind of see the patterns. It has like little flowers. It's very pretty. And I really like it. Let me see if I can... There you go, you can kind of see it. It looks really pretty. I honestly love the fact that it's very lightweight. It's a big comforter, but it's very light. So that's great. I'm excited to be putting everything together. I do have a rug that I'm not going to show you guys right now, but I'll show you guys on the video. It's been up here. I have it in I have it stored in the garage. Oh yeah, that's right. I got a new rug too it was supposed to be for my dining table. I got it at Overstock. Maybe I should show you guys because it matches everything on this haul, because it's great. It's so pretty. I haven't opened it yet, but it's beautiful. I saw the reviews and it was just stunning. I loved it. Ladies, let me know in the comments down below, do you guys have multiple comforters, or how do you guys go about it? How often do you change your comforters? Because I usually change them every year, but now I'm not gonna do that. Now I'm thinking I need a new comforter. I'll just be changing it more often, and I'll get a few. I know my husband's not gonna be so happy because my husband's like, what do you mean, Leslie, we need a new comforter? This is perfect. You know how Evan is. Evan is so simple. He's just like, you don't need anything, you're fine. I'm like, okay then. But anywho, I'm very excited to see all this put together, and I'm sure it's gonna look awesome. What else am I missing? I feel like I'm missing something. I am probably missing something on this haul, but it's okay. You guys will see it, or I'll just talk to you guys more about it once we put everything together. But that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know in the comments down below if you like plain comforters like the ones that I showed you, or do you go for more like prints and stuff. I know spring is coming, so I think a yellow comforter would be really pretty. Yellow, I always do blue. Yellow with gray and white. I can so see that like in my bedroom. That would be really cute. And also pink blush, like I mentioned to you guys on my what's it called, on my makeup tutorial. There's a lot of pink blush comforters that I have seen at Home Goods. I've seen a lot of white too. I've seen a lot of white comforters, and that's the reason why I went with this. It's super soft, you guys, super duper soft. So it's gonna be perfect for the baby, which I'm very excited. It's getting closer. My belly is so big. I'm 32 weeks pregnant today. I am honestly trying to enjoy this pregnancy as much as I can because I know it's going to be my last one. But I feel like time is going by so fast that I don't have much time to really just sit down and just enjoy my belly and talk to my baby because I'm always on the go. But yeah, I don't know. I'm trying, you guys. I'm trying to juggle everything all at once. I got off topic. I forgot what I was talking about. But anyways, that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you guys had an awesome Valentine's Day. And I hope you guys enjoyed this haul. Let me know in the comments down below. How often do you change your comforter set? How do you decorate your room? What colors are your favorite? Or what do you recommend for spring? I would love to hear your comments. So write them down below. And yeah, I think that is it. Thank you so much for stopping by, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Kisses. Bye. You guys, I'm really drowsy now. It's bedtime.